Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the key fob casing, usually near the key ring attachment. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just as the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming that the key fob is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.